So I came from way up there, made my way across here, up and down the cliffs, through waterfalls, and this is what I found. Hold on. Let me just say, yoo-hoo! Yeah. If I can describe getting here in 2 words, it's persistent pain. In 3 words, persistence reaps rewards. In English, this is fucking awesome!
This is fucking awesome!
I'm even shaking! I found one of only 2 waterfalls in Africa or South Africa. They come through the rock face, right through a cave. And each are one of the most beautiful mountain passes in South Africa. Am I excited? I'm gonna say the word again? No.
This is fucking awesome!